calling, you must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry am. You must scratch, they scratch you, body no one know. When your body calling, must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry am. You must scratch, they scratch you, body no one know. This is not a prayer matter, no matter how you pray. If you know settle nobody, wahala go there, you need some some romancing, some ta-ta-ta, some touching. Anyhow we be, body no one know. When body calling.
No, she said none of those ones. You can't use any of these ones for your white wedding. So the event planner said I have to pick a set and then return the rest to the seller. No, she said don't look towards this way. All these ones are for traditional ways. Between both pearls, pick one. What do you think? This one? Are you sure? I like this. Why? It's beautiful. See, it will just drop. My neckline?
No, nothing. You don't need to wear anything.
My neck?
That's the wedding style now. You don't need to wear anything. Just leave your neck like that.
Why can't I get my eyes off this set?
No, I don't like that one. I think I prefer this one.
Okay. Hey, Bia, start packing these things. We're going to return them.
Are we returning all these things?
No, we'll keep them.
Hey.
The event planner said we have to return all these things to the vendor when we pick the one we want.
You return all these things. We are not taking them.
Mbano, you keep them. Hey!
Hi, girls.
Hello!
How you doing?
Good.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir. Sister, let me go tonight.
Oh, okay, sure.
Aren't we late?
Yes, we are. I was just trying to pick up jewelry. The event planner said I have to pick the one I want and return the rest to the seller. Which do you think? I'm confused.
I think this is nice. The silver.
No, not the silver or the gold. No, the pearls.
I think you go for the big one.
That's because that's the same one I picked. Funny enough, Sandra thought that was the best one too.
Oh, really?
And now you agree, so...
This is nice.
Yes, sir. So we good to go?
Yeah, let's go.
She'll pack them all. Look, I can put them inside the pouch.
I have your bag.
Oh! Wait. She caught it. Found? Sandra!
Oh, I have it.
Got it? Oh, yes, there you go. So we'll just be on the pouch. She'll get it for me. It's okay. We're good.
Alright.
Okay. Thank you. So,
This looks banging though.
get here. Okay. I got this.
No. Not anymore. Okay? You are about to be crowned queen of my heart. So from now onwards, I got the door for you.
Okay.
So here we go.
I like it.
That's my queen. You are so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Damn.
Get here.
So beautiful. The queen of my heart. Alright, baby, let me go get something inside.
No, I'm going with you. I'm spending the night here.
My love, have you forgotten what we agreed on?
No, I haven't forgotten, but I miss you. I just want to spend time with you. I'll just lie down here, nothing.
I know, but... come on, baby. It's 3 days away, alright? I miss you too, but I just want us to be, you know, just hold on a little bit. After the wedding, we have all the time to ourselves.
Okay. Hey. Thank God for giving me a God-fearing man, romantic, who doesn't want to do anything until our wedding night. Awesome, right?
You're ready now. Alright, I'll be right back.
Alright, careful.
Miss me much.
Walk it. Hurry up.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome all the time.
Honestly, I did have fun. Thank you. Would you want to eat something?
Have you forgotten to eat something at the fast food?
Well, maybe I didn't want you to leave. I'm sorry. It was nice. Thank you.
You're welcome. I really have to run along.
I'll see you off again.
Don't worry. I'll see you very soon.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I don't feel like leaving, but I have to.
Yeah, I guess. I guess.
Take care of you.
Thank you.
My regards to your sister.
She'll get it. Leaving this whole place to you when I'm leaving, right?
Yes, you already told me that.
Well, what I did not tell you is that Uchechi will be staying with you. Why do you look surprised? You can't possibly think we'll leave him in the village to rot. Do you?
No.
Good. So I already told him to pack all his things when he's coming for the wedding with Mama. He should come with all his things. So immediately after the wedding, he moves in with you. Why are you looking like that? Sandy, we have a brother who's rotting in the village. He needs to come to the city and hustle, earn a living so he can save for his future. That's a good idea, right?
Yes, but sister, who will be paying for the rent?
I will. That until I am certain that both of you are capable of paying for it. Then I'll stop.
Thank you very much, sister. Thank you. Let me go and prepare.
For what?
Choir, all night choir rehearsal.
Again?
Sister, we have this 1 month music concert. So, choir director now fixed a 1 month all night rehearsal for us so that we can win.
Okay. Well, I mean, your commitment to the things of God is quite encouraging, so you should keep it up.
Thank you, sister. And let me go keep them.
Okay.
Thank you for your job. You've done so well. From here, I'm going to carry on.
Yes. Joe, please take her home first. Hey, don't follow him anywhere. Straight home.
Sister, you should know me by now.
I do. I'm just kidding you.
Rosie. You are in bliss. Nothing wrong with food. Come.
No, don't get your shoulder close there.
Hey.
Don't get your shoulder close there. If you want to be in bliss, not on another man's wedding day.
Exactly. With our pleasure, as Her Majesty please.
All right, bro. Appreciate it, okay?
Be careful.
Got your back, man. The real G. Happy for you. All right, bye.
Bye.
Rosie.
Safe.
I am so tired. I need a hot bath.
We talked about heat. You love it?
I do. It's beautiful.
I made sure I got the best.
Yeah, you did.
Congrats to us.
Thank you. God, I'm so hot. I feel like a hot shower.
This way.
The whole dancing.
Okay, now jump now. Let's go.
No way. Yes, I love it. So nice.
Yeah.
So, the much awaited wedding night is here.
So let's go freshen up and get ready for the D-Day.
I can't wait. You want to help me take off my dress?
I'm sure gonna make it a memorable one for you.
I trust you will. Strap it on me. Oh, it's so tight.
Sir. Fine, sir. It was... We thank God. Everything went well. I'm in my hotel with my new bride. Oh, you're here? The VIP bar. Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'll be right there. It's okay, I'm coming. All right, sir.
He's here?
Yes, baby.
Then why didn't he try to make it to the wedding? That was really wrong.
He said he would tell me when I come.
I hope he does. I'm fine. Run along.
All right, baby.
Hey, I'll have had my bath and all dressed by the time you get back.
Okay. Let me go get my presents.
Okay.
Wedding presents. I'll be right back.
Yep. And I would have showered and I've been resting before you get here.
I'm coming. Take care of you.
I'll be right there. Shower time. Hi, reception. Your water heater is not working. I need to take it back now.
Okay, I'm sorry, ma. I'll send the water right away.
Alright, thank you. I'm coming.
actually working.
No, it's not working. I've tried it twice.
Madam, there's a hidden button.
Yes, I saw the red button. I didn't touch it because I didn't know what it was for.
No, it's not the red button. Like, there's another button. It's hidden, actually. You are meant to press it first.
Ah. So I've tried it twice.
I can show you.
Okay, sure.
Welcome. Thank you very much. Welcome.
Okay. Thank you. Excuse me, I need to get back and take a shower.
Madam, this is against our working ethics. But my conscience will continue to smite me if I do nothing about this here.
Okay. I'm having a very hard time trying to understand what you want to say. I mean,
Madam, you're a woman. And I have sisters. You don't deserve such treatment. Not on your wedding night.
Like I said earlier, I do not understand what's going on, but I need to get back and take a shower. I'm having a hard time understanding why you are here. The shower is still working.
Madam, your husband is lodging in a Bugatti.
I know. He went there to get our wedding present because his boss is lodged in that room. Thank you.
With a woman. Your husband is lodging in a Bugatti with a woman.
The
can explain. Please hear me out. I'm very, very sorry. Please. I can explain. Baby, please. I can explain. Please hear me out, please. Baby, please. Baby, please, I can explain. Please, please, please. Baby, please. Baby, please. Please. No, please don't go. Please don't go, please. Baby, please. Baby, please. Please. Baby.
What will I tell my mother? Hi! What will I tell my mother? I will just tell her like this that Mama, sorry, the devil has finally succeeded in ruling my life. Hey! Who asked you? Who asked you, Sandy? Who told you to do bad thing? Why did you do bad thing? Hey, Mama will kill me, oh. Mama will kill me, oh. Auntie Rose will bury me. Mama will not kill me. No, they will not bury me. They will not kill me. I will not die. God, please do not descend on me with your wrath. I'm a sinner. I was just busy committing. I did not know that it will backfire like this. I am a sinner, man, God. Hey, God, help a sinner like me. God, accept I'm a sinner. How can I come out from this place? Am I dreaming? No, I am not dreaming.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. This is the handwork of the devil. I love you with all my life. I love you with everything in me. I didn't just know what happened. Please. 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 Please.
Hello, Ibe. Where are you?
Hi. What did I do?
Thank you.
No, please. 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 Please, please. Please, I beg you with God. Please. I'm so sorry, please. 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 Oh, my love, please. Please. Please forgive me. Please. Oh, it's the handwork of the devil. Please. 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 Please, please. Please. Please don't go. Please, please. I'm so sorry. Please. 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 Please forgive me. Please. Please, please. I'm sorry. Please. 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 Please.
Please forgive me. It's an honest mistake. Baby, you know I never will hurt you. You know I can't live without you. I'm not too proud
George Bush, so why did you do that? Do you know you've ruined that marriage? People that just got married, no. You don't even allow them start before breaking them. George Bush, you are an enemy of progress. Yes.
How?
You are an enemy of progress. Hey, George Bush. No. Mba, I'll report you to the management. Yes. I'll report you. Except manager.
See, wait now. I can explain everything that happened.
Explain.
I'm sure you will report me.
There is nothing to explain.
Please, no.
You have ruined that newly married couple.
Please, I'm begging you, please. Don't say anything, please.
I will report. Except manager did not come to this place. I'll report.
Please.
Where is she? Where is she? Where is my sister? Where is Sister Rose? Where is she? What did she say?
She left with her luggage.
Hey, Atokwamo. Ay. But how did she know? How did she find out?
I think it's that guy that left this room.
Ay. It's true. I saw the way he was looking at you.
Hi. I'm finished.
Mom, I don't know.
I thought Sandra said she will not be coming back this night.
Mama, that's what she said before she left. Who is there? Sister Rose.
Rose? Oh my God. What happened?
Sandra has killed me, Mama.
Sandra?
Sandra has killed me, Mama. Your daughter has ruined my marriage. Sandra has killed me. Hey!
I don't understand. But she told us that she was going for a choir rehearsal.
Yes, Mama. She said she was going for a choir rehearsal before she left here.
All lies! I caught Sandra pants down with my husband in the hotel where we are lodging after our wedding. Pants down!
God forbid, not my Sandra. My daughter, please. Did you see her? Are you sure that is Sandra?
Sandra has been sleeping with my husband, Mama, and I did not know. Pants down with my husband. Sandra has killed me. Sandra has killed me. She has ruined my marriage, Mama. Sandra has killed me. Sandra has killed me. Red-handed. Sandra has killed me.
Uche, what will this be called? I want to go to that hotel to see with my eyes. Biko, please allow me to go. Hey,
calm down. Calm down first. Please.
Did I hear you say calm down? No! How can I calm down? How can I start the calming down exercise? How? Tell me. Hey!
Mama, you need to come and sleep.
Hey, Mama.
Mama.
Hey, what time you going to
need to go and sleep. Try and get some sleep. Tomorrow morning, you'll be taken to that hotel to go and talk to her.
Sleep?
Yes, Mama.
With which eyes? I am not even sure that sleep will cross this eye. The kind of condition I am now is too much for me. It's too much for me. It's too much for me. Hey!
Mama, you need to try. Try. Come and sleep.
With which eyes?
Mama.
With which eyes? With which eyes? Hey!
Mama, tomorrow morning, you go to the hotel and see her.
No!
Mama, come.
How will I sleep?
Come, try and sleep.
How will I sleep? How will I sleep? How will I sleep? How will I sleep? How? Hey! Oh, I can see you. Please take me to the hotel, please.
Tomorrow morning you will go there and see her, Mama.
How can I sleep?
Mama, try.
How can I sleep?
Try.
How can I sleep? If I don't remember Kwanubo. If I remember Kwanubo. Hey! Oh, Chibo. If I remember Kwanubo. Hey! Chai!
Man. So there isn't just one man who is free from this generational curse. On my wedding night, here I am, miserable. On my wedding night. On my wedding night. On my wedding night.
Hello.
What? What is it?
Excuse me. Come on, sweetie. Excuse me.
Are you going to talk?
Yeah, but you know, I've been trying to stop you, have a word with you, but you seem not to regard my person.
Tell me, why would I regard your person? When I just saw you left a woman out there just to come running after me.
Oh, that lady, no, she's my cousin, actually. She came for her youth service and I was trying to...
Oh, please, 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 spare me all that. Spare me all that. I'm not cut out for those lies you guys are known for. See, I only stopped so you could say whatever it is that you have to say and let me have my peace.
All right, it's okay, sweetie. Actually, my name is Azubike. I stay in the duplex just down the street, okay? I do import and export, right? I feel it's better to meet with you, have a word with you, probably have your phone number, so we be friends, okay?
Is that all you have to say?
Of course, come on.
Oh. Okay. Please. Huh? I don't need a guy that would lie to me or to some other girl about how I'm his cousin, blah, blah, blah. And please also stop trailing me. You can't keep trailing me each and every day I pass this route. This is the only route to my house. You can't keep trailing me every other day.
Excuse me, sweetie. It's okay.
I hope we are clear on that.
It's okay.
Keep talking.
You don't just have to conclude like that, sweetheart. You're not God. Come on.
Well done. I said well done.
So?
Sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
Ndidi, I want to tell you something.
It had better be something I want to hear. Else, keep it to yourself.
Okay. Thank you. First of all, I want to start by thanking you for accommodating me in your room. I mean, it's not easy. You know, it's not easy at all for somebody to accommodate another in her apartment. I know I've always thanked you, but I can't thank you enough. I'll forever be grateful.
Rose,
Yes.
wait a minute. Is this what you want to tell me?
That's not all, actually.
Then what is it?
I want to ask you something.
What is it?
You know, I was in the village when you came to me and asked that I joined you in your room in the city. You said I should come up so I could add computer education to my OND certificate, so I can stand the chance of getting a better job. Ndidi, I thought about it. I didn't come to you to ask for this favor. You came to me. You suggested it. You asked that I should come.
Rose, I know I came to you, but I did not intend that you stay in my house forever. I once squatted with a girl. After 1 year, I got my own place. Why is your own different? My darling, why is your own different? Why?
Ndidi, all I ask is a little more time. Please, just give me some...
Wait a minute. Did you say more time? Rose, this is what you've been saying since last year. Till now, I need privacy. I am tired. Rose, I am tired.
Take it easy. I will leave your house. I will leave, but I just need to save up. Please, bear with me.
You will leave when? Now? Tomorrow? Next? Or 10 years? Rose, when?
It has not been easy with me.
I beg.
And you know it, please. Please,
I beg, Rose, I beg.
Ndidi, for Christ's sake, stop making it look as if I don't have a house. I'm not coming from the bush either. Ndidi, you know too well, my father built us a house back there in the village. A comfortable one at that. I was living with my mother and my siblings before he came down there preaching me into coming to the city to live with you.
Really, Rose? Really? So I am now the evil person that brought you from the dark to the light? Like bringing you to the city, I am now a bad person? Is that what you're telling me?
Ndidi, that's not what I'm saying. That is not what I'm saying. Please, don't misunderstand me. Ndidi, why are you trying to abort the good work you did? Why not let it mature? Why? See, all I ask is some more time to save up money and leave your house in peace. Please.
In peace? In peace, Rose.
And did you reason with me now?
Rose, just wait a minute. Did I hear you say in peace? Tell me, how do you want to raise money to get an apartment in this town? Look at you. You're sounding as if you don't know that my boyfriend pays for me in this apartment. Other girls, says their boyfriend pays for them as well. But you, look at you. I don't know what your problem is. Tell me, Rose, what is your problem? Have a boyfriend, you say no. Live a good life, you say no. I don't know. Wait a minute. Are you trying to tell me you want to be a nun or something?
I'm not going to be any nun. I'm not going to be a nun.
Then what is your problem, Rose? Why are you wasting your beauty? Eh? Can you look at yourself?
Ndidi, please listen to me. Listen to me and reason with me too. See, I encountered a terrible heartbreak during school days. I don't want to pass through sufferings again. The heartbreak I suffered really taught me to stay on my own. Men are cheats. They are not faithful. Not one is. And as it is, I'm not ready to be part of their infidelity. Not now, at least. Not now.
Rose, are you trying to tell me that you don't want to get married and raise your own family, your children?
There you go wrong again. That's not what I'm saying. When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it. When marriage comes, we shall know what to do.
I don't understand. What did you try to tell me? What are you trying to say?
I'll get married, at least...
My dear, stop deceiving yourself. Use this beauty, use a hammer. Eh? Stop deceiving yourself. You better go out and get a better boyfriend. So that you can at least leave my house in peace. At least he can get you a good apartment. Girlfriend, make use of your properties. From A to not be Gary now. Just did waste yourself for nothing.
But boyfriend mustn't get the apartment for me.
Go get. Mo will not be any going to collect them for you.
Maybe I'm going to school too.
You won't stay in my house that way. Not go get boyfriend me collect house make I hear one. I'm not go fit carry boyfriend come house.
I'll leave your house. I said I'll leave.
Bro, don't provoke me, oh. Don't provoke me, oh.
You don't just have to conclude like that, sweetheart. You're not God. Come on.
That guy has everything I need in a man. He's rich. He's good looking. Maybe he was right after all. I concluded so fast. And maybe Ndidi was right also. I need a boyfriend urgently. And maybe I should give him a chance. Who knows? Maybe. Just maybe. Wow. So he has finally given up on me. Like, he couldn't even persist and persuade me more.
You're not serious, eh? Okay, let me know when you guys are ready, okay? Just let me know.
afternoon, sir.
You. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm alright.
Okay. My name is Rose. I'm an OND holder. I'm currently running my computer program.
Oh, it's okay. Good to see you again. Come here.
Thank you.
Alright. Just hop in. I drop you off, okay?
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
This kind of love that lasts forever. I love you, not another. This kind of love ain't not serious love. One, two, three, and I got it! Yeah!
You get it, girl. What's the excitement for me?
I got myself a boyfriend.
Ow.
The best of them all.
There you
the
go,
man of
girl.
my dreams.
So you can be this excited, like.
Seriously,
I'm
so
happy
excited.
for you. Congratulations, darling.
Thank you.
Here you go, girl. At least I can rest now.
Of course you should rest. I'm happy. At least, if not for any other thing, I'll get away from your troubles. Don't frustrate me. What?
I don't understand. Because you are red, no go hear what again. So to get boyfriend, they even sweet you all this while you're just acting. Girl, I'm happy for you. Congratulations again, man.
For you.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding
least
you. I have a boyfriend now.
My dear.
I have a
Oh
boyfriend.
yeah, come and do.
You see this guy? You're here.
Oh, sweet. How are you? Finally, I've eaten that thing you've been, I've been begging you for, and you're doing shakara for me. Following you around all over the streets. I've gotten it, baby.
Now, you for real? Really?
Oh, come on.
Please. I don't like it when men talk like this. Why would you make me feel less of myself?
It's okay, I was only joking. Come on.
I beg.
You easily get angry?
Why wouldn't I?
I was just joking, okay?
Who be that? Don't break my door. Hey, how's this? Hey! Yawa don gas o.
Musa, is that a greeting or what?
Madam, good afternoon.
And why are you looking at me like that? Is Azubike not in the house?
Hey, madam, Ogade for house. Ogade house. Madam, I don't make anything for you. You want on the Poga house, pa? Where this guy keep her for my key? Oh, Oga they do bugashi. Yes, madam don't come. That place go hot, pa. I'ma love my pot, go. That she dying, love in my pot. What can they do? Said my 3 pass.
It's okay. So, tell me, what attracted you to me?
A lot actually. But first thing, I was really attracted by your chocolate color.
Okay.
I love them chocolate,
Then who?
And also I love your dress sense, You're so different from every other girls. You look really, really different. Trust me.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Are you expecting anyone?
No, not really. But just hold on, I check, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, my angel. Oh, good to see you. You decided to take me unaware?
And what is this thing doing here?
Oh, sweetie, come on. She's Chukwebuka's side chick. Chukwebuka's fiancé is in his house and, you know, he brought her here just to have a quick one. You understand? I'm even surprised you didn't meet him outside. You guys didn't meet on the way?
Wait. I don't understand. Chukwebuka left his girl with you, dressed on your shirt. Wow. She's even wearing your slippers. And she's half naked. I don't understand. Explain.
I mean, just call Ebuka. If you're doubting me, call him right away. I'm surprised you guys didn't meet on the way. He just left here now.
I have his number. I'll call him.
Please do.
Hello. Ebuka. Are you the one that left a girl in my husband's house?
Yes. I just left the house not quite long. Her name is Rose. I didn't know you'd be coming back anytime soon, so that was why I left her there. I'm really sorry about it.
I told you.
What's your name?
Rose. My name is Rose.
You know what? Just get out of my house. Your sight disgusts me. Just get out. Okay, ma. And pull my husband's shirt, his slippers, just pull it and get out. Okay, thank you.
I mean, relax.
Don't touch me.
You're getting too angry.
That's why you still take your own side chick to his house.
No,
Dirty
you
man.
know I won't do that. Try to understand.
Just tell her to leave my house. Just tell her to leave my house.
She's about leaving. You just finished the call and you heard what he said. I mean, stop getting fooled.
Oh! Ow! What is this? Hey! What are both of you still doing here? Sandra! Sandra! Is this place the all-night choir rehearsal you told us you are going to? And what are you doing here then? Sandra!